Here I have an S&G environmental sent to me by the great BosnianBill. Thank you very much for the lock. It's a 3-disc. Do not have a key for it. It's a 101. I've got all the discs zeroed. I'm going to start with the best way to do this is, but I'll start the back disc. Set it first. Drop my pry bar at least once. Twice. This back disc is the toughest to get set for me. I'll grab something else. Pissing me off now. There it is. Had to get in there and set that bottom disc a little bit better. There's a 45 on the bottom, a 90 in the middle, and a 0 on the top. And that 45, you just got to be dead on to get it opened. There it is. See, it's S&G number 1. chain on it. That's it. Need any information on these locks, just check out BosnianBill's channel. He's got all the information you need on them. And thanks again for the lock, and thanks for watching.